In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product order form in Google Forms. Start by opening your Google form. If you're already signed in, you'll see the main form editor with a large title field at the top. This is where your form gets its name and what your respondents will see first, so make it clear and professional. Click into that title field and type Product Order Form. You'll notice the form description area just beneath it. While we won't add anything extra today, know that this is a helpful place to add brief instructions or policies later on if you need them. Now it's time to add your questions. On the right side, you'll see a vertical toolbar. Click the plus icon labeled Add Question. In the New Question field, type full name. Google Forms usually recognizes this as a short answer type, which is ideal for collecting a person's name. Keeping the label simple and direct makes it easy for customers to complete. Click the Add Question plus icon again to create the next field. Type email address. This should also appear as a short answer question. Clear labeling helps ensure you receive accurate contact information so you can send confirmations and updates if needed. Click Add Question once more. Type, what product do you want to order? Under this question, add your product options as choices. Keep option names consistent with how you list products elsewhere, and keep them concise so customers can quickly identify what they need. If you have variations, like sizes or colors, consider reflecting that in the option text itself so the choice is unambiguous. Click the plus icon to add another question and type quantity. This will let customers indicate how many units they want. Use wording that makes sense for your products. Quantity keeps it universal and clear. Keeping the label straightforward avoids confusion during fulfillment. Finally, click Add Question again and type delivery address. This captures the destination for the order. Encourage complete entries by phrasing the question clearly. People generally include street, city, state or region, and postal code when they understand what's expected. A single address field keeps the form simple and fast to complete. That's it for building the core structure of your product order form. You've set a clear title, gathered essential contact details, let customers choose their product, captured how many they want, and collected the delivery address, all in a clean, easy-to-use layout. When you're ready, you can preview the form to see it as your customers will and share it with your audience.